Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into creating inviting and beautiful outdoor spaces. If you're looking to transform your outdoor area into a true extension of your home, you're in the right place. We'll walk through selecting the perfect Better Homes and Gardens outdoor furniture to suit your style and space. From cozy balconies to sprawling patios, we'll cover all the essential tips to help you create an outdoor oasis you'll love spending time in. Now you might be wondering why Better Homes and Gardens. Well, let me tell you, it's a brand I truly trust and admire. What I love most about Better Homes and Gardens outdoor furniture is how beautifully it combines style, comfort, and durability. Whether you're drawn to sleek, modern designs or classic, timeless pieces, they have something for everyone. They use materials designed to withstand the elements so you can enjoy your beautiful furniture season after season. Plus, their commitment to comfort is evident in every detail, from plush cushions to thoughtfully designed seating. It's all about creating spaces that feel welcoming, stylish, and uniquely you. That fit perfectly and enhance your outdoor living experience. Now for the fun part, defining your outdoor style. This is where you can let your creativity shine and truly make the space your own. Just like your home has a unique personality, your outdoor space should reflect your taste and complement your overall aesthetic. Think of it as an extension of your living area, a place where you can express your personal style. Do you gravitate towards clean lines, neutral colors, and a minimalist vibe? This style can create a serene and and identify common themes. It's a great way to see how different elements can come together. Remember, your outdoor space should feel like an extension of your home, so choose a style that complements your existing decor and brings you joy. This way, you'll create a cohesive and inviting environment that you'll love spending time in. Now let's talk about choosing the right materials for your outdoor furniture. Better Homes and Gardens offers a variety of durable materials, so you can find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and climate. Think about what your furniture will be exposed to. One of my go-to materials for outdoor furniture is weather-resistant wicker. It has that classic timeless look but is designed to withstand the elements. If you're looking for a sleek and modern look, consider powder-coated aluminum or steel. These metals are rust-resistant and incredibly durable, making them perfect for high-traffic areas. And let's not forget about the cushions. Look for fabrics designed specifically for outdoor use. Solution-dyed acrylic fabrics are a fantastic option because they're fade-resistant, water-resistant, and easy to clean. Make it as comfortable as possible to truly enjoy it. Beautiful outdoor space. Well, friends, I hope you feel equipped and inspired to create your very own outdoor haven. Remember, just like with any space you design, it's all about creating a space that reflects your personal style and enhances your life. Choosing the right better homes and gardens. Outdoor furniture can completely transform your outdoor living space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert home decor tips.